welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today's video is going to be a classic red Navratri Karwachauth Durga Puja makeup look. I also did a Durga Puja look. If you want to check it out, check the link in the description box below. I hope you guys will like this video. So many of you guys requested for a red classic makeup look for Karwachauth Navratri. So I thought of doing this look right over here and I am loving it. So I hope you guys will also like this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let's get started. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna moisturize my skin a little bit, and in today's video I am not gonna have a very heavy base. I'm not gonna do any kind of color correction, contouring and all these kind of things. I'm just gonna have a very light base, and first for that I need to do my skincare. So I'm just gonna use few products for my skincare first so that my skin looks healthy and glowing from underneath. So the first product that I'm going to use is this one. This is the Lakme Peach Milk Soft Cream Moisturizer. This is kind of one of my favorite moisturizer, you can say. But if you don't want to use this one, you can just definitely use whatever moisturizer suits you. And definitely use a primer if you want your makeup to last longer. You guys know I don't use primer. Okay, after that I'm just gonna use this Vaya Naturals eye cream. I'm just gonna moisturize my under eyes a little bit. So for that I'm using this caffeine eye cream. This eye cream is really nice. It's a bit pricey, but it's really nice. I am looking like a boy right now, I know that. Ignore my hair and ignore this appearance. Okay, so before doing my base, first I'm gonna do my eyes as I always do. And for today's eye makeup tutorial, I'm gonna use this palette. This is from Makeup Revolution. This is their Iconic Pro palette. This palette looks like this, and this palette contains few warm shades and few cool shades as well, as you can see. For today's eye makeup look, I'm gonna use the warm shade, and I think I'm gonna use one or two shades from here. So let's begin. Okay, so I zoomed you guys a little bit, and for today's eye makeup look, first I'm gonna use this shade right over here, and I'm gonna mix it up with this deeper shade. I hope you guys can see. First I'm gonna use this shade as my transition color, and after that I'm gonna make it more slightly deeper with this color right over here. And I already concealed my eyes, this light brown shade over here, and I'm just gonna use this kind of fluffy eyeshadow brush right over here. This is from Amazon. And I'm just gonna slightly apply it. After that I'm gonna take this kind of small fluffy brush, and then I'm gonna take this deeper brown shade over here, and I am just gonna make it kind of more deeper. So this is how my eyes are looking right now. Then I'm gonna take the same light brown shade and just slightly gonna blend out everything well. Just gonna smooth out everything. I'm gonna take my Miss Clear pot concealer, and I'm just gonna slightly add a cut crease. Now if you don't want to do cut crease, then you can just leave this step, but few of you guys requested for a cut crease kind of glam eye makeup look, so I'm trying to keep it glam as well as simple at the same time. But if you don't want to cut crease and all these kind of things, then you can just definitely take a shimmery eyeshadow. I'm showing this eyeshadow this is from Swiss Beauty, and this is absolutely stunning, guys. You guys know how much I love Swiss Beauty products, and this is a kind of metallic nude pinkish shimmery shade. You can just do this eye makeup look and you can just add this shimmery shade on the top, and you are just done. You don't have to do cut crease and all these kind of things. I'm just showing this cut crease because I love cut crease and a few of you guys requested for it. So I'm taking this pot concealer from Miss Clear. take this shimmery shade right over here, and this is such a beautiful shimmery shade. I don't know whether you guys can see it or not, but it's really beautiful. It's kind of a soft metallic shimmery shade, so I'm just gonna use it all over my cut crease. I'm gonna add a quick liner. I'm gonna use this gel liner from L'Oreal, and after that I'm gonna use a falsie, which is very natural looking, but you can keep this eye makeup look as it is. You can just put some mascara and you are good to go, but I'm doing this because obviously I want this eye makeup look to be a little bit glam as well as simple. Okay, so this is how my eye makeup is looking right now. After that, I am gonna do my face finally, and for that I'm gonna use this first. This is a illuminator, and I'm gonna use this underneath my foundation. So this is from Glow Essential. This is their handmade illuminator. This is an Instagram store. You can check out their website. I'm gonna link it down in the description box below. This is such a stunning illuminator. I want my skin to glow from underneath, and for that I am using this illuminator. That I'm gonna use my Essence All About Matte foundation, and I'm in the shade Matte Sand. Now in this foundation you will not get enough shades, but I think this foundation works really well for me. This is a oil-free makeup. I am a kind of oily combination kind of a person, so this long-lasting foundation really works well for me. This is a 12 hours long-lasting foundation. I'm gonna take a little bit and I'm just gonna use it all over my face. I'm not gonna take a huge amount. I'm gonna use a concealer, and I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild concealer. You guys know this is my absolute favorite concealer, so I'm just gonna use a little bit. Now I am just gonna set my under eyes using this Nykaa Skin Genius powder. This powder is really nice. I'm not only gonna set my under eyes, I'm also gonna set my T-zone right over here, but I'm not gonna set my entire face because I want this glowy dewy situation right over here. I'm gonna bronze my face using my Sugar Cosmetics bronzer. I'm just gonna slightly bronze it up. And I'm gonna use my blush. This blush is from Wet n Wild. This blush is such a beautiful blush. This is kind of a blush topper. You will kind of get a very slight beautiful glow after using this blush. I think you guys can see this blush is so amazing. And I'm gonna line my lips first with this random lip liner, and the red lipstick that I'm gonna use is NY Bay Red for Uncle Charlie, which is the star of the show. This red lipstick is really beautiful, so I'm just gonna line my lips using a kind of brick red lip liner, and after that I'm gonna use this red lipstick. Yeah guys, that's the makeup look, that's the finished look. I forgot to show you guys, I used this makeup fixer from Swiss Beauty and I also highlighted my face with my Wet n Wild highlighter. I forgot to show you guys. And yeah, that's the finished look. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, comment and share this video with your friends, family, whoever needs this video. Share this video, like this video, comment down below your favorite makeup look that you want to create in this Navratri and Durga Puja or Karwachauth. I will love to know that. And yeah, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.